Okay.
Okay, no leaning.
Yeah, don't lean.
Here, let me push. I'll push you guys up.
Ah. I'm just wiggling my hips. Wait, I need to go this way?
Yes.
Yeah.
Push off of the dock.
Ah! Don't lean!
I'm trying not to.
Well, don't lean.
He's wiggly.
I'm not wiggling.
Tell you what with you. I'm not doing nothing.
Looks like you're sinking. Turn. Yeah, right.
This way?
No, the other way.
Left. Just push out.
Here we go!
Oh, no!
Jeez, guys.
You know what?
You might give up another sport.
We should launch him off the back of the swim step, because then there's no dinghy, you guys could just go. Here, why don't we tow that around to the back of the swim step? We'll launch you that way, because there's nothing in your way.